once again, recovery day, rebuilding day, right? Comes to fighters, got my uptown on, see? Um, you know, people ask me this question all the time about where the seat gotta be. On recovery day, you can just leave it where you're comfortable. If you're gonna burn out and build conditioning, put it high. On recovery day, this is gonna try to, cause you're gonna feel good. Slept, rested. Body's gonna try to program quicker. Do the opposite again. We're not burning calories, we're not building conditioning. We're just stretching out the nerve system. Feel me? And the timing of the body. That's all we doing today. Feel me? And then I'm gonna go feed my daughter, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? Saying? Feel me? Rat niggas. So this is the slow motion that you go through. You know what I mean? Hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, hey yo, hey yo. You got about a minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes. On to the next machine. When it comes to the word nigga, I grew up in the South Bronx with the brothers, so we all niggas. You know what I'm saying? That's why. Don't take it disrespectful. Got it? It's just that's the way we show love over there. Feel me? Got me? Alright. So I'm gonna clean this up. I'm gonna go buy some Springfield sandals for my son. In black. Solid. You know what I'm saying? That's that.